Say less than necessary. Hi, this is an hour with Sir Noni editorial. The wisdom of always say less than necessary often feels cold, calculated strategy in a world that champions authenticity and open communication. Yet, how many times have our impassioned words, born from the deepest corners of our frustration or exhilaration, returned to haunt us? In the professional arena, an unfiltered opinion can derail a career, transforming a momentary lapse in judgment into a lasting impression of impulsiveness. The sting of regret from an overshare in a meeting or a poorly worded email sent in haste is a universal experience, leaving us to wonder if the fleeting satisfaction of expression was truly worth the subsequent anxiety. The principle extends its poignant lesson into our personal lives, where the boundaries of intimacy often tempt us to reveal every passing thought and emotion. While vulnerability is a crucial for genuine connection, there's a delicate balance. How often have a sharp, unedited retorts in the heat of an argument inflicted wounds deeper than intended? Scars that linger long after the initial fury has subsided. Or the causal disclosure of a friend's secret, a moment of unguarded gossip, betraying trust and fracturing bonds that took years to build. The echoes of careless spoken words resonate through relationships, leaving behind a trail of misunderstanding and heartache. Embracing the ethos of saying less isn't about suppression. It's about intentionality and respect for the profound impact of our words. It is about cultivating up the pause, allowing our thoughts to settle before they take flight, recognizing that silence can often convey more strength and wisdom than a torrent of words. This mindful approach to communication, whether in the boardroom or at the dinner table, ultimately protects our integrity and preserves our most cherished connections, reminding us that true power often resides not in what we say, but in what we choose not to. Thank you for listening.